So as you can see, the video is fully generated by AI. Actually, this cartoon video generate form a normal video. You can make these types of video and upload on YouTube and can earn huge amount of money. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. For making the cartoon video, I divided this video in 4 steps. Step 1. First, we need to choose a video. So I choose a video. And now we need to divide this video into frame-by-frame image. For making frame-by-frame images, I used Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I open Adobe Premiere Pro. Then press on OK. Now we need to import a media to start. So I import my chosen video. Done. Now I drag and drop this video to timeline. Now go to File. Then go to Export. Then click on Media. Now select the format to PNG. The format must need to be PNG. Then select the output folder. Choose the output folder. I create a new folder and named Original. Then open this folder and again named Original for my images. Now press on Save. Then press on Export. Done. So it starts to generate the frame-by-frame images. It will take some time to generate. Done. Here is our file. If we open this file, you can see this generated the images from the video. Here it generate 555 images. Step 2. Now our second step is to draw a cartoon image of any one image from these images. It means I need to cartoonize only one image, and then artificial intelligence will automatically cartoonize the all images. So I choose this 243 number image to cartoonize. I will use Adobe Animate CC to cartoonize this image. You can use any other software to cartoonize the single image. Or you can use any mobile app to cartoonize the image like Flip-a-Clip or others. So I cartoonize the image. Here you can see the final output. Sorry for my bad drawing. Okay, now step 3. Now our third step is to download a small AI tool to convert all the images into cartoon format. So I open Chrome browser and search ebsynth. Now I download this software. This is totally free software. After completing download, I need to extract the file. So I extract the file here. Now open the synth file. This is a very small software. Now I open this ebsynth software. Now we need to do 3 things. First, select keyframes. Keyframes means the image which I cartoonized. So I select the cartoonized image of mine in this keyframes box. Then second option, video. Here we need to select the original image which we used for animate. This is the original image. Means 443. Then the last step is to select the output file. Then press on synth. Done. Now need to wait. It will take some time. This will cartoonize the all images. This will cartoonize the all images by taking the reference of the one image which I cartoonize. This take quite long time to process. So need to be patient. It took almost 20 minutes to complete. Done. So let's check the final images. Here you can see it did its work very clearly. Perfect. Step 4. This is our final step. In this final step again I open Adobe Premiere Pro. Then click on File. The fast image. Also need to press on the image sequence. Done. It generate the video. Now export the video. Let's check the video. Here is the final output. It's nice. So this is the artificial intelligence generated 2D cartoon video.